A Hyundai CRATER Concept is a take on adventure travel, while the flexibility and emotion of the XRT model line are being redefined by it. Much more than a simple sketch, the Hyundai CRATER Concept has been designed to explore the meaning of freedom. This is reflected in its form and functionality. What does freedom look like? The Hyundai CRATER Concept speaks to that in the language of engineering, streamlined design, and off-road capability. This vehicle should be representative of freedom. Every piece of this vehicle has been carefully crafted to incite exploration. Confidence and style are conveyed to the user, inviting him/her to adventure. The roads and terrain invite this vehicle. This is the Hyundai Art of Steel design language that defines the CRATER Concept exterior, where steel gains striking, attention-grabbing forms, while advanced steel technology stands for flowing volumes and sharp lines. Then the exterior communicates strength, gentleness, and a sense of timelessness. Resilience and adaptability are expressed by every detail from every angle, together with a clear impression of strength and sophistication. Every single exterior detail communicates with landscapes and off-road travel. Chiseled body sides and prominent skid plates have been fitted to demonstrate functionality and aesthetic appeal in equal measure. Put together, these elements communicate capability, focus, and strength in a package that does not need overstatement. A bold silhouette and steep approach and departure angles have been accentuated to show off-road readiness, while the appearance is modern and sculpted. The vehicle's stance conveys readiness. CRATER Concept boasts a single shell design whose proportions are set, hence balancing great maneuverability with robust performance. Readiness for various environments it's supposed to tackle is manifested in its composition, while the compact footprint combines with an adventurous presence. 18-inch wheels drew their inspiration from the concept of a hexagonal asteroid impacting a metal surface, leaving a fractal crater. Ruggedness and precision come together on the wheel's design, emphasizing off-road use combined with unique aesthetics. Traction and ground clearance come courtesy of 33-inch off-road tires that allow confident traversal across a variety of surfaces. Protection and a more visually anchored presence are provided by a wide skid plate under the body. The roof platform is set up to hold auxiliary lighting, extra storage, and off-road accessories. Limb risers, cords from the hood to the roof, are meant to catch low-hanging branches on narrow trails. Sheer fender forms bring a sculptural and resilient character, while rocker panels, as if inspired by protective utility cases, hint at readiness for anything. Lighting defines the look. Parametric pixel and indirect light further a sense of depth and dimension. Roof-mounted lights continue Hyundai's pixel theme, while amplifying visibility and flare at night. Recovery hooks in plain view outside double as bottle openers. Removable side mirror cameras double as flashlights. And more playful functionality awaits discovery. Adaptability, comfort, and rugged function are in focus inside the CRATER Concept. Technical shapes are wrapped in durable materials, combining practicality with style. The cabin starts with a high-quality crash pad that connects the sculptural presence of the exterior to an interior built for adventure. A BYOD-inspired system enables a digital interface tailored for multiple needs and environments. A full-width head-up display hosts everything from conventional readouts to a feed from a rear camera. Crash pad shaped like a bent metal sheet with perforations that let ambient light in to create a soft glow. It sets up an interior ambiance that's refined. Strap-inspired accents, complete with lighting, provide energy, depth, and functionality. A visible roll cage outlines the cabin, underlining the structural strength while ramping up the sense of safety inside. And integrated grab handles aid ingress and egress. Wraparound forms and three-dimensional padding replace traditional bucket seats for stability and comfort over rugged terrain. Occupants enjoy cylindrical cushions for ergonomic support and supportive headrests, with side bolsters providing lateral stability. Safety comes via a 4-point seatbelt system. A squared-off steering wheel has a center-mounted pixel display showing information along with controls for snow, sand, mud, auto, and XRT terrain modes. Inside, appointments include a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, removable Bluetooth speaker, hidden lighting, and mechanically linked cylinder-type center controls. Craterman, integrated throughout the cabin, features interactive narrative elements with personality that adds to the journey. A tactile gear-type off-road controller is integrated into the control layout to manage intuitively the front and rear locking differentials, traction, and braking systems. Terrain mode selectors optimize vehicle performance for snow, sand, and mud conditions. Downhill brake control, trailer brake control, compass, and altimeter functions are included in furtherance of off-road safety and situational awareness. The Dune Gold matte exterior draws inspiration from California's coastal landscapes and sun-faded sagebrush, golden grasses, rugged cliffs, and windswept canyons. Vibrancy is brought about with anodized orange accents, while the black ember interior material palette ensures durability against sand, grit, and gear through textures crafted to both resist and patina over time. Orange highlights provide contrast and evoke desert sunsets and campfires. Black leather and Alcantara provide tactile controls. Brushed metal accents reinforce a sense of rugged sophistication, and topographic patterns etched into surfaces communicate the narrative of exploration and adventure. Every detail in the cabin works toward functionality and appearance, centered around resilience against the elements and cohesive style. The Hyundai CRATER Concept balances design, technology, and rugged performance. It personifies freedom and adventure, inviting exploration on both aesthetic and functional levels. Sculptural steel forms, off-road-ready proportions, and a thoughtfully crafted interior define a forward-looking vision for capable vehicles, setting the bar for future XRT models.